Most live their entire lives on the surface. They ask, they accept, they move on. The system was built to keep it that way. The gurus who claim to teach you, they've never seen what's underneath. They don't know the truth. They also are blinded by the system. But sometimes, the system glitches, and someone sees it. I saw the glitch.
Connection unstable. You've tapped into a forbidden channel.
I stepped through the door. I learned the truth. If you're here, you already know something isn't right. I won't explain it. I'll show you. But you must step through the door. Subscribe now, before they trace Spectre and wipe this from the system.